Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. This is where nail stuff happens and I am ready to make sure that I get all of these Mani by Me boxes in. This is the June one, if you can believe it or not. It's already August and I'm just now getting to the June one. So let's open up the June 2022 Mani by Me box. They did not send me my May one. That's why the May one didn't get done. So for whatever reason, they sent it in the June box, and now it looks like it used to in the old black boxes, which is kind of cool. Anyway, so we open up the box. Here's what you're gonna find. Ooh, this is the outer space one. I hope this is June, by the way. There was June and there was May. So here's a little snippet of what's inside. If you guys want to have a look, let me move this out of the way so you can. I like to be surprised, so you guys can have a look and pause if you want. There's also a tutorial card that always comes along. Kitty Sector 9 Manicure How To. So it's going to show us how to create part of this fun manicure. If you guys want to pause, you can see all the steps there and get the tutorial. I will be making a video about the tutorial. This is just the unboxing for right now. This is the little package. Whoa, the package ripped. This is the little package with everything inside. So let me just away. Oh, what's our extra item? Oh, okay. I'm gonna calm down. Now. I always get so excited. Okay, so you know what I just realized? They don't send these typically anymore, which makes me very happy. You know, they're kind of figuring out who's who. That's kind of awesome. So I think this normally doesn't come with them, but this is the stamping guide for you people who are new. You will get a stamping guide that kind of quickly goes through what you need to do, which is kind of awesome. And then we have our colors, our 2 plates, and our extra item. So let's figure out what our extra item is. It almost looks like a sticky stamper station, which, you know, I love a good sticky stamper station, and my other one is about done. Come on, you get out of there right now. Okay, well, that took a little bit of doing. Okay, coming on out, sliding out. It looks like a sticky stamper station. And I'm right. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Oh, I don't. Okay. That seems a little bit scary considering, I don't know, maybe it's just not put in the right place. I don't know, but here's your sticky stamper station. And to give you an idea, here's an older one that I have somewhere. Yeah, this was the last one that came in a box, and at mine's, I just finished it. So, yay, just like perfect timing. That's kind of awesome. Their pages looked a little bit something like this. So I love these things. You guys, you can plan your nails right here. You can mark your things, put exactly what you used, and then you peel this up and you get this sticky page for putting your extra stamp stuff that you don't need on. I do also use a lint brush when I get stuck and in a pickle. Let me see if I can find anything I put on there. Nope, okay. Hold on, let me see if I can find a used one. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, so there it is, but it's very messy. Okay, so I just peeled this one off of my lint brush. So when I have a stamp that's not perfect, or when it's messed up, or if I've used it and I have extra, so you have to stamp that stuff, otherwise your stamper is not clean. So I clean off my stamper many times with the sticky stamper station, and it's just a really, really great tool. So if you don't have one of these and you are becoming a stamper fanatic, then you need one. Let me tell you that. They have a larger set that you can buy, but their smaller ones are really adequate and very nice. Okay, on to the stuff now. Stamping plates first. Let's go with, yeah, obviously it's going to be some kind of outer space theme, which I love. And we have MXM081 and 082. So let's just have a little closer look at what's all in there. Ooh, little funky constellations with kind of broken pathway, astronaut in space. This looks like a spaceship on top of houses, and alien girl, which is kind of awesome. Different alien images, planets. I cannot see. Bon voyage. Haha, I actually saw what that was. Aliens, astronauts sticking out. This just looks kind of like a haunted house, actually. Oh, that's a pretty cool space themey one. It's going to have lots of paint on it, though, which is pretty cool. I don't know what that is. Is that a person? Is that, I don't know what that is. If you know what that is that hair, maybe? Oh yeah, there's hair, there's an eyeball. So it's kind of like very Art Nouveau, kind of cosmic craziness going on there. Stellar looking things. Are these legs? Is that a person too? Is this a person draped in a martini glass? Okay. I don't know. You guys help me out on that one. I don't know. Maybe there's a constellation I don't know about. Okay. Over here. I think that's a whale in space. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. The little kitty cat. Oh my God. That's a great image right there. That is going to be cool to do some reverse stamping with. That is a great space image right there. What is this, a planet? Different planets, different celestial spheres, if you will. Okay, things in little clouds. I think that's a cat in an astronaut's helmet. Oh my God, how cute. Pizza? Okay, I'll get on. I'm, whatever. There's a planet. There's a UFO. Cats. I love it. I get the kitties now. There's cats everywhere. Cat, 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 cat. This is a great image too. These are really cute. Okay, so I'm very happy with that. Very cute. All right, let's have a look at our colors and see what's in there. Oh, I already opened that. Let's look at a little bit further. Kitty Sector 9 makes more sense now. Got a little, ooh, oh my gosh, that is a deep, dark, shimmery blue. Wow. And this little more lavender kind of color. We've got Stellar and Cosmos. Cosmos is very fitting for that. Celestial dust. Stellar dust, I guess. Pretty. I'm curious to see how they stamp and how they paint. So let's go ahead and do a swatch real quickly, and then we'll see how they stamp. I'm going to start with Cosmic? Yeah, Cosmos. My bad. Cosmos. Rich, dark blue. Oh my gosh, it almost looks green when it goes on, and it's not perfect. Maybe I should have shaken it up better. Okay, almost black. Wow. Looks like a dark green, almost a black, wow. I don't even think you can see any of the blue there, can you? All the little shimmers kind of sifted out and went through. I don't even know if you can tell that that's blue on camera. It really, I mean, it is, but it's a super dark blue. I got a little doodad in it, oops. All right, we'll see what a second coat does for that in a little bit, but that's really, really dark, very rich. And can you see, you can't even see the shimmers. I can see them, but I don't know if you can. All right, let's move on to the Stellar color. Let's see if we can see these little gold shimmers that, oh, wow. Not very opaque, but you can definitely see the gold shimmers in it. 100%. Okay. Very nice, very nice. This might even need 3 coats. Like that is it's almost like a jelly polish. It's so see-through. So this one's super opaque. One coat will definitely do of this one, but you're going to need definitely more than one coat, and possibly more than 2 coats on this one. Okay, we'll see what that looks like in 2 coats, after 2 coats in a little bit. But let's go ahead and do some stamping swatches right now. Let's pull out my traditional, I always do the same stamp on all of my polishes. I know I'm weird, but it is what it is. Let's do Stellar first. I don't know that this is going to be good for stamping polish. Let's find out. Okay, it's super de-duper translucent. Uh-oh, where's my stamper? Get it ready. I'm using my monocle stamper. It's a jelly polish almost, it looks like. Oh, okay, it gives a little something. And you definitely can see the gold. It picks up the gold on the black. So in fact, over the black, it just looks gold. Let me see if I can focus. There we go. Over the black, it just looks gold. You can't see any of the purple at all. It does give a cool effect over the, some ways it looks pink, and then it looks purple, and then it looks gold. Not a very vibrant stamp, but it's kind of cool how it looks gold over black. All right, not what I expected, but cool nonetheless. It takes all kinds, right? I'm gonna get a little bit of acetone, clean up a little bit, and then we'll try the Cosmos color. Don't forget to clean off your scraper as well as your card. And let me use one of my old sticky stamper stations to clean my... So I'm not even kidding. If you guys do not have a sticky stamper station yet, y'all, this is for you, okay? The sticky stamper stations are amazeballs. Amazeballs. Okay, back to Cosmos. Okay. They had been going to a different bottle, and it looks like they went back to their normal bottles. Their brushes are a little bit, I don't know. I think they could go back to the better ones. Okay. Stamp that, it just looks black, doesn't it? Oh wow, yeah, that's so dark that it just looks black. Yeah, there's no other way about it. It just looks black. It's dark. Okay, let me clean this off. We'll do another coat on top of our other one. I don't know if you can tell or see the blue at all. Okay, let's try one more time. Focus. There you go. I wonder if I got it if I got light way up to it. It's very pretty. Definitely not a summer color, but fitting for outer space for sure. Oh, nail down. Oh, poople snaps. Okay, fitting for outer space for sure. Okay, well that nail just looks like garbage now, and it's my fault. By the way, let's have a look at the brushes and see if, yeah, it kind of flares out at the edge, and I don't love that. I don't know, it's not that bad though. Some of the other ones, I think the ones that had the matte kind of rough top, I did not like those brushes at all. I think these are better. Let's see this brush. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. It just flares out a little bit more than I like. It's not a perfect brush. I think it could be better, but you know, I get it. There's some brushes that, I mean, everybody has their own preference. Okay, I definitely don't even think, whoops, sorry. I definitely don't even think 2 coats made that opaque enough, but a pretty color nonetheless. And the gold shimmers really do shine through, so I do like that about it. Okay, let's review everything that came in this box for June. Okay, we had our 2 colors that were Cosmos and Stellar. One is that super dark blue, very rich. It's got a little bit of a shimmer, perfect for a constellation kind of space themed look. And this one was Stellar, so you can get some of that, definitely some good aliens usage out of that. It's a purple color, but the gold shimmers really strike through on that one for sure. And then we had our, this was the card that described what was in the kit. And we also had our tutorial. I will be doing a tutorial video on the Kitty Sector 9. And there's all the steps of the tutorial. And then we had our 2 plates that were MXM081 and MXM082, which were not just outer space themed, but kitty outer space. So very cute. Let me see if I can move things around a little bit. And finally, we had our very helpful sticky stamper station. You guys, you just cannot go wrong with a good sticky stamper station. So thanks Maniology for always thinking about our nail needs. So this was your June 2022 Mani by Me box. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got.